Hello student, in this video we talk about how to enable or disable comments in WordPress and how to approve or delete comments in WordPress. So first we log in our WordPress dashboard, right, and then go to first in settings. So go to settings and in settings go to discussion, right. So click on discussion. So in discussion settings you will find the all information about comments, how to disable or enable the comments, right. So default post setting is first allow people to submit comments on new post, right. If you uncheck this and save the setting, so there is no person allowed to post on comments on your post, right. If you check it, it means that you allow the persons to post a comments on your post, right. Other comment settings, comment author must fill out name and email. What this? It means that the commenter name and his email and his website, right. When a person comment on your website, so they write his comment and then they fill his name, his email address, and if they fill the website or not, but the email is static, it's compulsory, and the name is fill it, it's compulsory, right. So it's setting allow you the comment author must fill out name and email. User must be registered and log in to comment, right. So first I check this, so I go to my another website, and from here I change the your settings, settings, and go to discussion. And from here I am enable post login, right. User must be login. So I check this option, right, and then click to save changes. After that I log out to my website. I log out to my website and then go to tutorial form. Now I open my blog post, read more, commenting website list, blog commenting site list, where you find the blogs where you can comment and get a comment backlink, right. So I open it, scroll down, and there is an option, right. So you write your comment and take information and submit your comment. From here notify me, you also check this option and then click on notify me, right. So when you uncheck this, you need to check this user must be registered and log into comment, right. From here enable thread nested, and from here show comment cookies, and from here automatically close comment on post older than 14 days. If you check that, so after 14 days or maybe change it 50 days or any days, the comment will be closed automatically, right. But I want to show the comment box to engaging my content, right. Email, check on it when anyone post on your comment on your post, so an email will be received to you, right. And moderation, someone follow your blog or someone like, from here you will be receive an email, right. From here comment before a comment appears, when you check that the comment must be approved manually, not to automatically, and when you check on it, comment author must have a previously approved a comment. When an author approved a previously approved a comment, it also the second comment is will be automatically approved, but his comment not approved previously, so it will be approved by manually, right? So I also uncheck this two option. And from here, comment moderation, hold the comment in the queue if it contains one or more links. When someone comment on your website, they try to leave his website backlinks. So if he leave one backlinks or more, then the comment will goes to approved manually, right? And then you show your avatar, right? Avatar maximum rating, avatar display, right? Choose your avatar and then save your changes. Now where I see my comments in my WordPress website, so in the setting areas, comments, so click on comments, right? So it has total 11 comments, right? And 11 comments approved, there is no pending, and 2 comments is goes to spam, right? And from here, right, when I unapproved a comment, when I click on it, it goes to unapproved, right? It will goes to pending, right? When I click on approve, so it will go from pending to approve, it will go to approve, right? When I click on some to trash, it will be deleted, so it will be deleted, goes to trash. When I someone click on spam, it will go to the spam folder, right? Node 3. From here I click on quick edit, right? Click on edit, and from here I change the comment, write the spellings, change his email, right? And from here I delete the URL, and from here I change the all the information, delete from link from here, right? And then can click on update. Also you remove from here, also you change to spam, also going to pending, right? And then we click to update. So the comment is updated, right? Now it is, I have already 9 approved comment, and right, and from here now I comment on my blog from here as an admin, because I am admin of this website, so I already log in. When an admin give a reply or have a comment, so it will be automatically approved, right? So open the website and goes to the comment area. So it is the comment area, right? It is the comment area where, right? From here I comment. It is a nice post, right? And from here I give a backlink, right? tutorialform.com. It is my another website, https tutorialform.com. It is my another website. So I click on comment, so the comment is added, right? Because I have admin, so the comment is all directly published, and it is my the backlinks, right? It is my comment and it is my the backlinks. When a user leave a backlink, so the comment goes to pending, right? Not goes to automatically approved. So I have approved 9 comments. So for now I refresh my the page, and it has to be done by 10. So it has 10 approved comment, right? Now from here I click on also reply. I have reply on this comment from here. From here, thanks. So from here, thanks for your comment. I have reply as admin, right? Now click on reply button. And the reply is added. Now we refresh it. From here you also click on reply and give a reply, right? So the reply is also added, right? So it is a short video about the comments. From here your comments enable or disable, and where your comments and how you comment your edit, delete, go to spam, approved or unapproved. So thank you for watching for this video.